Tomato and cucumber salad, diabetes-friendly salad recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup of sliced cucumbers, 1 cup of tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped coriander, 1/3 cup of chopped red onion, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, teaspoon of salt and pepper to taste. Cucumbers are low in carbohydrates and a source of fiber. They fit easily into a diabetes meal plan. The ADA recommends people with type 2 diabetes consume a nutritious, high-fiber diet. Fiber has many health benefits, including providing a sense of fullness, curbing appetite, and helping with blood sugar control. Tomatoes are categorized as a vegetable. Like most vegetables, tomatoes are low in calories and a good source of fiber. Coriander. It will change the taste of your dish and also does not let the glucose level increase in your blood. Onions have long been known to have several putative health benefits. Onions are rich in flavonoids such as quercetin as well as sulfur compounds. The health benefits of onions have been linked to everything from the common cold to diabetes and osteoporosis. Lemon. 2 nutrients in lemons have notable benefits for diabetes. Soluble fiber. High fiber diets have been shown to reduce blood sugar. Soluble fiber can also help lower heart disease risk by helping to lower blood pressure and cholesterol and help with weight loss. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil reduces blood sugar and cholesterol more than other kinds of fats, according to new research. The findings were consistent with previous studies which have linked extra virgin oil to higher levels of insulin, making it beneficial to people with type 2 diabetes. Salt and pepper enhances the taste to salad. Take a bowl, add extra virgin olive oil, some salt, pepper, lemon juice and mix well. Now add tomato pieces and cucumber slices, coriander and mix them well. Take a serving plate and place the salad on it. Yummy, delicious, healthy diabetic special tomato cucumber salad is ready to serve. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.